When your bank asks for a portfolio summary, or your accountant needs a rent roll, or an investor wants to see your debt exposure, how long does it take you to put that together? With Finance Magnifier, it takes seconds. Generate professional reports across your entire portfolio with a single click. Portfolio summaries, cash flow forecasts, debt exposure analysis, property valuation, compliance status, maintenance cost, income and expense breakdowns, rent collection reports. All built from your live data, always up to date. Export to PDF for presentations, Excel for further analysis, or CSV for your accountant. Every figure is accurate, every time. Stop spending hours assembling data. Start spending that time acting on it. Finance Magnifier, investor-grade reports, built for property investors.